Good morning from Siem Reap, Cambodia. It's 8:45 and we just arrived here, 2 hours ago. Took a bus from Sihanoukville and that was last night. So we took a 12-hour bus ride from Sihanoukville, arrived here super early and been up since 4 a.m. So we're just
check into our hostel just yet. So we just dropped our bags off.
We're walking around until 1 p.m. So just gonna kill some time. And we're at a market right now, drying some squid.
Been here for 2 hours and I've already bought something.
There you go.
To a great start.
Shopaholic.
Hello.
Hi.
It's crazy that they're like suction cup clothes and they're just like chips.
Well, it's airtight.
No, these. Well, yeah.
Suction cup?
Or like.
Air package, airtight.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Like vacuum sealed, that's the term we're looking for. Hi. No, thank you. Check this out. Let's go this way. Everyone having breakfast over here? Yeah. Cafeteria area over here. Hi. Nobody's talking to me. This is normally much earlier than we would get out for the day. Figured we had to capture it. Oh, look at that big daddy. That is a big fish.
I don't know.
So in case you're wondering why we're wearing these masks, one of the first confirmed cases of coronavirus was in Sinukville, which is where we entered in from today, or keep getting the days mixed up, from yesterday when we were on the islands. So gotta play it safe.
Literally everyone there had masks on. Every single person. Here, not as much, but I'd rather be safe.
Yeah, it was a Chinese man who came directly from Wuhan, and apparently he was treated and is in fine condition, but you never know who else was on that plane or who he came in contact with. Better safe than sorry. Mask up. Hey buddy, make sure to wipe your paws if you're gonna go inside the temple. Do you want to come pray? Some sort of prayer ceremony.
Yeah. Looks like
Oh yeah. Looks like there's a wedding up there. Cool. Hi, no thank you.
Yeah, you want to see like photo like my friend? Photo like
Oh, that's okay, thank you. Hi. Sorry. You can see him hanging. Wow, so I don't know if you can hear in the microphone, but there's just loads of bats hanging from the trees. I've never seen anything like that. Looks like it. There are just hundreds of bats in these trees. Weird. Oh, look at those coconuts. Hi. And all the poor birds in the cages. So far from what we've seen, I think we would both agree that Siem Reap seems a little bit cleaner than Phnom Penh.
And calmer.
Crazy. Not as much piles of trash just laying on the street, not as dusty. Yeah, nice place, but there's not that much going on in the city. Just a big photo of Brad Pitt. Nice. So that about does it for this morning's explorations. We just wanted to kill some time and show you guys what the city has to offer and kind of what it looks like by wandering around while we waited for our hotel room.
For the next 3 days, we will be exploring Angkor Wat, which is an archaeological site and lots of temples just north of Siem Reap. So make sure to look out for those videos as well.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Peace.